In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep source formatting when reusing slides in PowerPoint. This is a handy tip for all of you who deal with presentations regularly, as it ensures your designs and themes remain consistent and professional looking, even when integrating slides from multiple sources. Let's jump right in. To start, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you've opened the program, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. The choice is yours, depending on what you ultimately want to achieve. If you're working with an existing file, ensure it contains the slide or slides you wish to reuse. This prepares your workspace and gets you ready for the next steps. Now, navigate to the slide you plan to reuse. On the left-hand side, you should see the slide thumbnails, which give you a mini preview of the slides in the deck. Find the specific slide thumbnail that suits your needs, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Copy. This step places the slide onto your clipboard, making it available to paste elsewhere. Next, open the presentation where you'd like to add the copied slide. Again, this could be a file that you've been working on for a while or a brand new one that you just started. The idea here is to bring the desired content into your targeted presentation, creating a seamless and cohesive flow. With your destination file open, identify the slide thumbnail where you want to insert the new slide. To do this, have a look at the left-hand panel once more. Right-click on the slide thumbnail where you'd like the new slide to appear after. This is a pivotal step because it sets the position for your slide insertion within the sequence of your presentation. Here's where the magic happens. After right-clicking, you'll see several paste options. Among these is the option labeled Keep Source Formatting, which is represented by an icon that looks like a clipboard with a paintbrush. Clicking on this option ensures that the slide you're pasting maintains all of its original formatting. This includes colors, fonts, graphics, and anything else that would set the theme. By doing this, you preserve the visual integrity and maintain consistency for the entire appearance of your presentation. And there you have it. Your slide is now integrated into the new presentation with its original format intact. This is a tool you'll likely turn to again and again as you enhance your presentations with slides from various sources. Taking these steps ensures you retain the unique styles and branding that each slide carries, giving your presentations a polished and uniform look every single time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.